having 10 years of success in 1 year. What does that mean? How can someone achieve it? What does that look like?
Step one is that a false belief that we all have, and that is success equals time, which is so not true. Because if you think about it, if success is really equals time, then the last 10 years are a lie. Because ChatGPT, Sam Altman, all the greatest success stories that you've heard in the last 10 years have achieved more success than companies who've achieved in the last 100 years. If you really think about it, right? Then success is not equals time. So the idea was to understand how can we crunch time? Because one of the things I learned from Tony Robbins, who's my mentor, is how do you figure out a way to crunch time? He said the biggest art that anybody can learn and get into this whole research constantly of how do I become so productive that I can crunch time? Something that others can do in 100 years, can I do it in 10 years? Something that others can do it in 10 years, can I do it in 1 year? The more you learn the whole concept of crunching time and doing things less, doing more things in less time. So that was the first foundation, that success is not equals time. Success is much more than that. So then what is success about? So let's break that first limiting belief. And the second one being, if you really think about why are people stuck for 10 years? Whenever I ask people who join our programs and I say, how many of you are stuck for how long in your life? For an example, the audience who's watching us today, I would say measure your life in 4 areas of life. HRCM, health, relationships, career, and money, on a standard of 1 to 10. Let's say 1 being low, 10 being very high. And whatever number they give themselves, generally people give average numbers to each. Like overweight hai to 5 for health, right? Relationship mein breakups hote ja rahe hain, friends nahi hai to 3 or 4. Career mein confused hai to about 3 or 4. Financially stuck hai to about 4 or 5. Now whatever number they give me, I always ask them this question. For how many years your life is more or less the same at the same number, at the same benchmark? And they'll realize, no, answers are 5 years, 10 years. Some people are giving me 20 years, 30 years, life is the same.
20 years they are stuck.
20 years they are stuck, same ratings.
Oh my God.
And when I ask them why, they don't know why, but here is the real reason. Lack of life skills, right? What does it take to succeed in any area of life? One is professional education. We all need that. But the second is the life skills. In health, what are some of the life skills that makes a person successful? Let's think about it. Is it the knowledge of diet? But that's professional education. What are the life skills that one needs to succeed in health? What are the goals that we have? Weight loss करना है,
right.
Body बनानी है, कोई underweight है तो उसको muscles बनाने हैं, सबके अपने अपने goals हैं. But health में it's not rocket science, right? It's basically the same goals. सबको पता है कि अगर मैं बटर ज़्यादा खाऊंगा तो मोटा हो जाऊंगा,
right.
सबको पता है कि अगर कैलोरीज गिन के नहीं खाऊंगा तो मोटा हो जाऊंगा.
तो कंट्रोल नहीं है मतलब.
हाँ, तो उसको स्किल क्या बोलोगे?
अवेयरनेस, सेल्फ अवेयरनेस.
अवेयरनेस तो दुनिया भर की. इनफैक्ट आज की तारीख में अवेयरनेस शायद इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई है कि जिसको वेट लॉस करना नहीं आता वो दूसरों को ज्ञान दे सकता है कैसे वेट लॉस करना चाहिए. Right?
So maybe they don't know how to sell it to themselves.
So here is the skill that is missing in the area of health. The skill to make yourself like or dislike something. That's actually a skill. Most people don't look at it as a skill. Most people think, I like something because that's who I am. I don't like something because that's who I am. That's my nature. No, it's not your nature. It's a skill. It can be developed.
So you've trained your mind to like or dislike something.
Unconsciously. But the question is, people today who don't have that skill, have they trained themselves? No.
They've not trained them.
Something has trained them. Someone has trained them. Now, what is that something or someone? Environment, culture.
People around them.
Right? But they don't really have that skill of, for an example, somebody who is overweight, obviously likes eating a lot of unhealthy stuff. Or even though they eat healthy, they overeat. Fair? Do they have the skill कि एक जगह बैठो, apply a technique on your brain and you stop liking something that is not good for you? Do they have that skill today? No.
How do you learn that skill?
It's a skill. Have you heard about NLP?
I have.
Neuro-linguistic programming. It's a skill that we teach in Platinum because it's all about training your brain, learning the skill to go from like to dislike and dislike to like. Your brain has neurons.
Yeah.
So the word neurons. Language is the language in which your neurons communicate with each other. Right? And programming is, eventually there is a program fit in your brain.
Algorithm chal raha hai.
There's an algorithm kind of a thing. Now there is a skill that you can learn in NLP. Example, there's a person who loves smoking. Okay? Loves smoking. Wants to quit, but doesn't have the skill to dislike smoking, right? In NLP, there's a particular skill that you can use to dislike it. Commit yourself to learning the most important skill of making yourself like something and dislike something.
All right. How was that proof? Loved it? You want to gain this superpower yourself? If yes, below this video right now, I've given you a link. Quickly click on it. Register right now. I'm giving you access to the first lesson of NLP program completely free for a limited period of time. Quickly click on it, register, and make sure that you take advantage of the first lesson of NLP completely free, where you will learn how you can also become this powerful, where you can take control of your brain, you can take control of your heart, rewire yourself to attract success and avoid failure in your life by eliminating these unnecessary emotions. Ready? Quickly click on the link, register now. And hey, before you go, remember, in the future, if you want more such amazing content, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon right now. See you soon in my next video.